friends! It's me, Whiskers the Cat. Today, we're going on a farm adventure. Are you ready to count with me? Let's go! Look, there's a big red barn. What animals do you see? Oh, here comes a cow. Let's count the cows together. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 cows munching on grass. Moo! Now, let's go find some chickens. Cluck, cluck. There they are, pecking at the ground. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 chickens. Can you flap your wings like a chicken? Oh, what's that sound? Oink, oink. It's the pigs. How many pigs can we count? 1, 2, 3, 4. For muddy pigs rolling around. There. Look at all the eggs. The hens laid them. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 eggs. How many eggs do you like for breakfast? Now, let's add them all up. We saw 3 cows. Plus 5 chickens. Plus 4 pigs. And 6 eggs. Let's count together. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. And 12 plus 6 is equal to 18. Wow, we counted 18 things on the farm today. What a fun farm adventure! Thanks for counting with me, friends. See you next time for another Whiskers adventure. Bye bye.